Meaning of iciness.
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 Iciness. Iciness refers to the quality or state of being extremely cold or frosty, often used metaphorically to describe a person's demeanor or attitude. It can suggest a lack of warmth or friendliness in someone's behavior, as if they are emotionally distant or detached. Alternatively, it may refer to a situation that is marked by tension, hostility, or a sense of discomfort. Overall, iciness implies a lack of warmth, emotional connection, or ease in a person or situation, and can be used to describe a range of experiences from social interactions to physical environments.